What if I told you a billionaire-backed company is trying to bring back a giant flightless bird back from extinction using gene editing and with the help from the creators of Lord of the Rings, Peter Jackson? We're talking about the moa, a 12-foot tall, 500-pound bird extinct for 600 years, and now possibly making a comeback. So, a company called Colossal Biosciences, which is a $10 billion bio startup company, has a wild mission, basically to make extinction optional. See, they're not just talking about dinosaurs or mammoths. Their latest target, the South Island giant moa, once New Zealand's top herbivore and now a ghost of the past. And yes, Sir Peter Jackson, the one, is not only funding it, he started the whole thing by offering up his personal stash of moa bones. So how do you resurrect a bird that has no wings, no close living relatives, and no womb to grow in? Well, first you have to extract ancient DNA from bones and eggshells, then you sequence it, compare it to the moa's closest living relatives, which is the emu, and then you use CRISPR to rewrite the DNA of the living bird, likely an emu, and then you basically try and include the moa traits. But because birds lay eggs, scientists can't just clone like they do a mammoth. Instead, they edit germ cells, basically future sperm and eggs, plant them into an emu embryo and wait for it to grow and breed. The offspring will be a moa-like bird, not a true moa, but something close. Because here's the kicker, even Colossal Biosciences admits that this won't be a true resurrection. It'll be a proxy, a genetically tweaked emu with moa features. Critics call this misleading. Scientists argue that extinction is forever and that this is more of a flashy science experiment than genuine conservation. So there's a bigger conversation here, right? It's Colossal says that these gene editing tools could help save critically endangered birds, improve biodiversity, and even revolutionize poultry farming. But others warn it's a dangerous distraction, a high-tech fantasy, while real species die off due to habitat loss and climate change. There's also the ethical question, right? Should we play God? Should we play God with extinct creatures? Who decides what species get a second chance? One thing that makes this project unique is it's indigenous-led. The Maori group is not only involved, they are in charge. For them, bringing back the moa isn't just about headlines, it's a cultural healing, reviving a lost treasure to colonial history and ecological collapse. So is this Jurassic Park 2.0, a bold act of science restoration, or a vanity project in disguise? The answer might lie somewhere in between, but one thing's for sure, the future of nature isn't just about protecting what's left, it might be about rebuilding what we've already lost.